Now here is your second method of finding HCF, that is division method. Read all the steps one by one on page number 75 on your books, page number 75. Step 1 is divide the larger number by smaller one. We might be having 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 numbers. So if you have two numbers like 20 and 55, one example is given below the method. If you have two numbers, divide the larger number by smaller one, then the remainder is treated as divisor. After the one step, the remainder will be treated as the divisor and the divisor will be treated as dividend. जो रिमाइंडर है वो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या बन जाएगा, डिवाइज़र, और जो डिवाइज़र था वो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या बन जाएगा, इन द सेकेंड स्टेप इट विल बिकम डिविडेंड. सो यू विल अगेन डिवाइड and this process will continue till you get the remainder is equal to 0. And when you will get the remainder 0, because here you are getting remainder 0 in the end, the number which is just above, which is at the divisor place in the last, the number which is at the divisor in the last step, that will be our HCF. So here 5 will be HCF. The question will not be the answer. The answer will be the number which is given at the last place. So now come to the questions. Here is your second question related to this. By using third question. First is not in your syllabus. Second we have done in the earlier video, and third is by using division method, HCF of 18 and 28. Now we have two numbers, 18 and 28. By this way you can find, place the smaller number outside and greater number inside, divide it, it will go on 1 and you will write here 18 minus it, and in the second step the remainder will act as divisor, and the divisor, and which was the divisor in the previous step will act as dividend, and this process will continue till we get the remainder 0. And when we get the remainder 0, the divisor in the last step will be our desired answer. If we have only two numbers, this is the answer if we have only two numbers. Now if we have, this is the second part. Again we have two numbers, 15 and 25. You can check it once. Now I am talking about third sum, that is we have three numbers in that, 12, 38 and 56. So you can take any two numbers and start dividing. You can take any two numbers and start the division process, that is long division method of finding HCF. So 38 I have written inside and 12 is outside. 12 3s are 36. You know how to divide it, and 2 is the remainder. Now in this step 2 will act as, in the next step the remainder will act as divisor, and that divisor, which was the divisor in the previous step, will act as dividend in the next step. Now in the second step itself we get the remainder 0. So now we can see HCF of 12 and 38 is 2, but it is not the answer. We have one more number, that is 56 in this. One more number in this, 56. Now we have to divide 56 with the found result in the first division. So HCF of 2 and 56. Now we are finding HCF of 2 and 56, and we get the HCF 2. If we have four numbers, that is 18, 28. Now you can make pair of two numbers, that is 18 and 28, 48 and 78. 18 and 28 we are dividing. 18 and 28, you can see HCF of 18 and 28 we get 2. Now in the second portion HCF 48 and 78 is 6. After solving we get HCF of 48 and 78 is 6. Now we have two HCF with us. In the end we have two HCF with us, 2 and 6. We will again divide these two results with each other. Now we are dividing here both the result, HCF of both the result 2 and 6 in the last step. Then we will get final answer, that is 2.